Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this makeup look using a few brand new products. I'm so excited to show you how I created this look with these new products because, of course, as a review video goes, you never know how it's going to work out, but I'm actually really happy with how these products look in real life. So the first one is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, which I created this entire look using, and the new foundation for myself today, which is Dior Skin Forever, and together these products work very well together, and I'm excited to show you how I did this. Let's get going. Today's video is a part 2, so I'm going to link the foundation part right here for you so that you can watch part 1. I'm applying the Dior Skin Forever foundation for the first time, and I really wanted to take my time with that video, so I made it a completely separate video, and I will link this for you here. And next, after foundation, I'm going to apply my concealer. Today I'm going to be applying the Double Duty Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. I watch a lot of YouTube and Instagram makeup artists applying a ton of this product. And I just want to let you know that if you're having a hard time with your concealer creasing, it could very well be that you are just applying too much product. So if you can just lighten up on the product, that might really help. I'm also going to apply some here. I know this wand is just kind of hard to work with because it just puts so much product on. I'm also going to show you how to blend this out with a brush because I feel like a lot of people don't realize that you can blend out your concealer. I just hit myself in the face. You can blend your concealer using a brush. So I'm going to use the Angled Flat Precision, which is M88. And as you can see, it just looks like a mini little kabuki. And I'm just going to take this and just blend my concealer, lightly patting with a brush. I'm going to take my concealer up into that inner corner of my eye and over my eyelid. And this will act as an eyeshadow primer. Now to blend everything together, I'm just going to take the larger kabuki brush and just go right back over on the edges to make sure everything is blended out. And now that I've blended everything out, I'm going to set everything in place with the setting powder. Of course, my favorite, I'm using the La Mercier translucent setting powder. Just going to take the large powder brush and apply a little bit here onto my brush and dust it into the lid and apply this over my entire face. This is going to set my foundation in place and my concealer in place, preventing creasing and movement throughout the day. For bronzer and blush and highlighter today, I'm reaching into the Lancome little kit that I received from their holiday box, and I'm going to use all of these beautiful colors. I'm going to take a precision highlighter. What are you? Precision highlighter M35 for the bronzer. Reaching in for the blush. And for the highlighter, I'm going to switch up my brush and I'm going to take just a little crease blend, M38. I'm just going to take a little bit of highlighter right here and just go right on the top of my cheekbone, all the way to about the center here. Moving on to brows, I'm going to be using the Universal Brow Pencil by IT Cosmetics in Universal Taupe. And of course, this is not the first time I've used this pencil, it's just that I keep running out of it, so this is a new one for this video, but I've used this many, many times. I always take the spoolie end and brush my brows up and over. And as you may know, I am a microblading artist, so I'm going to show you how I do this on like a daily basis with a brow pencil. I always align the pencil here with the center of my nose, not the outer, but this inner one. And I just go straight up here, and that will be the center of my brows. And I just do little hair strokes with the pencil. And then I just fill in any holes that I have. And then I'll just take the spoolie and just blend everything out. To set everything in place, I'm going to be using the Gimme Brow Brow Gel by Benefit. For today's eyeshadow look, I want to reach into the new Tarte Rainforest Sea Volume 2, Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Take the lightest shade right up here. I'm gonna apply this over my entire lid and right up into that inner corner. And under my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful gold sunset and I'm gonna just go right into the corner of my eye with this color. I'm gonna take a different stiff shader and I'm gonna apply this beautiful color right here, which is Marina. And I'm gonna apply this right over my lashes, on my lid, all the way up to the crease. Now I want to blend in that transition shade, so I'm going to take a Crease Blend M83 and just blend that. I love that color so much that I'm already going to take that down onto the bottom underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to use the Soften and Smudge, so that same shade, the Marina. And I'm just going to go right underneath my waterline, my eyelashes. I'm going to take the next shade around the wheel. This is kind of fun. I'm going to take that next one down here, which is called Seaside. And I'm just going to apply this here to my lid right above my lashes, up to the crease. And then of course blend that out. Now I'm going to go right for this dark shade, which is Siren. And I want to put this on my lash line. I've recently become really obsessed with just kind of skipping liquid eyeliner and using dark eyeshadow. And as long as I've primed my eyelid properly, it usually stays the whole day. It just creates a nice, beautiful depth without that harsh line. I do love liquid eyeliner, but I've just become a really big fan of this technique. And I'm also going to take this down underneath my lash line with that same dark shade Siren. Today I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to take this shade and just kind of make it more dramatic right here on the edge of my lid, but I'm not going to take it past to make a wing. I'm just going to make this go kind of up into the crease a little bit, and then I'll blend that out. Now I want to line my inner waterline, so I'm going to take the NARS Larger Than Life and just line the inner waterline. Bottom inner waterline, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So now that I've lined the inner waterline, now I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm going to prime my lashes with the Seal Booster by Lancome. And today's mascara is by Lancome as well, the Hypnose Drama in Noir Black. And for lips, I'm going to start with the Maybelline 105 Nude Whisper, which has quickly become one of my favorite lip liners. It's very universal for a nude. So I'm going to layer my lips today, and I'm going to start with the Dose of Colors Soft Touch. And on top of that, I'm going to apply the 920 Nude Lust, and that is by Maybelline as well. And then on top of that, I'm just going to apply just a dab of my Lancome Juicy Tube right in the center. And for lashes, I'm going to apply the Wispies by Ardell. And here is the final and completed look using the all-new foundation for myself, which is the Dior Skin Forever foundation, and then also the new Tarte palette, which is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do have any questions for me, please leave a comment below, and I will be sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for your support and subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell as well, and give this video a like if you did pick up a thing or two that was really beneficial. I really appreciate the feedback. Thank you so much for your support, and have a beautiful day.